Hi everyone, welcome to Brimitech. In this video training, I'm gonna show you how you can download a file, a folder, or all the files on Google Drive. So let's get to be started. Firstly, we need to access to Google Drive. If you have already accessed your Google Drive, then you can skip this part. And okay, let's begin. Now open up your favorite browser and go to accounts.google.com and hit enter, and from here just we can access the account. So firstly, enter the email address, go next, enter the password, click next, and here you can see my Google account interface. And on the right top here you can see Google Apps. Just click on Google Apps, and here you will see all the available apps, and here is Google Drive. Just click on it, and here goes my Google Drive interface. Now let me show you how you can download a single file. I'm going to show you. Here goes some single files. Just here it is, a doc file. Just right click on it, and here goes a new panel. And if I scroll down, here you can see download. Just click on download and go to downloads. Here you can see all the all in on doc file, and open in a folder. It has been downloaded. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can download a folder. Here is my drive. If I click on here, here goes to folders, and I'm going to show you how you can download this one. If I go into this folder, here goes several files, and I'm going to get back, and to download this folder I'm going to right click on it again, and here we'll see this option panel, and again click on download, and the folder is going to be converted to zip file, and it's going to be downloaded. And here you can see it has been downloaded. Just open up here, show in folder, and here goes the zip file. Well, you should remember, when you download a folder from Google Drive, it will always be in zip format. You will have to unzip here. Okay, I have unzipped, and now you can see the drive or folder Brimitech, and I have all the files inside the folder. Okay, now if you would like to download all the files and folders here in this drive, you can easily do. If you have a few files and folders, just press the shift key in the keyboard and select all. Okay, and right click and click on this download. Okay, but if you have a lots of files and folders, then this technique may not work. So in that case, you will have to go to takeout.google.com and hit enter, and now you will be able to download all the files in Google Drive. Okay, here you can see uh, your account, your data, etc., and you can take backup. Okay, create a new export, and here goes all the services from Google, and I'm going to deselect because I'm going to just use Google Drive. Okay, and scroll down until you see Google Drive, and make sure you selected this option. Okay, and once I selected, here you can see three options are visible. Okay, let's see the first one, multiple format. From here you can select the format you would like to get, and for the documents you can download it as a docs or PDF, for drawing JPG or PDF, for forms and presentation PPTX, and spreadsheet XLSX. Okay, once you are happy with these settings, just click OK and go to another one, advanced setting. Here you will see two options. You can include named, published, and uploaded versions. Okay, and you can include additional information for the files and folders. Okay, and the third one is all drive data included. Here you can see I have Brimitech local folder and this folders in my Google Drive. Here it is. Okay, you can exclude or include any folder. I'm going to click on here. Now here you can see all are selected, but I don't want to just download this one. Okay, so you can deselect this, and I'm going to include all except this one. Hit OK. Now scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see next step. Just click on it. Okay, now step number 2, choose the file type, frequency, and destination. First of all, destination. Where would you like to get the files? You can add to Drive, you can add to Dropbox, OneDrive, or to Box. But I prefer to send the download link via email. And frequency, export once and export every 2 months for a year, etc. And here you can see the files will be packed with zip format, a zip file. And here you can see a very uh, nice option. You can split a large file into multiple files and the size of that files. Okay, if you have a large data in your drive, say for example 10 GB, and you can split into 5 files and each file will be 2 GB, and if you select 4 GB, then you will get how many? Most probably two or three split files. Okay, and I have a few files, so 1 GB is selected. Now we are on the final step. Just click create export, and here you can see export progress. Google is creating a copy of your drive based on the size of your files. It will take time, most probably a few minutes or hours or days. As I have a few files, so I hope it will be ready. Already it has been ready now. Okay, and here you can see I have several files to be downloaded, and let me check my email to get a notification. And here you can see a new email. Your Google data is ready to download. Just click on it, and here it is. If I click on this download button, download your files, and it will send me to here. Okay, on the same interface. Okay, now it's time to download. Okay, it has been downloaded already, and now click on this download button to download the file. It has been downloaded also, and now just see the file in the hard disk. Here it is. Now if I extract the file, and here you can see takeout, a new folder. If I go inside it, and here you can see drive, and here you see all the files I have in my Google Drive account. Here you can see all the files. So friends, I believe I could show you how you can download a single file, a single drive, single folder, or all the files in your Google Drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get a lot of technical videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.